Hi, my name is Barry Starr, and I am excited to announce that Ancestry DNA has updated its ethnicity estimate for 2020. This means more precise results for more people around the world. Even though your DNA doesn't change, the science of interpreting it does. As more people take the Ancestry DNA test and science progresses, we're able to expand our reference panel and improve our algorithm. With this update, we have split up larger regions into smaller, more precise ones. We've added Cyprus as a new region. We now split the United Kingdom and Ireland into 4 separate regions: Wales, Scotland, Ireland, and England and Northwestern Europe. China has been divided into Northern and Southern China. Similar improvements have been made for Italy, Eastern Europe, the Philippines, and Japan. And we have split a larger region in Southern Africa into 2 smaller ones: Cameroon, Congo, and Western Bantu peoples, and Southern Bantu peoples. If you can trace your family's history back to one of these regions, your results will be even more precise than they were before. We will continue to add more people to the reference panel and refine our algorithm, so stay tuned for new updates in the future.